stop buying products you don't need. And stop filming 50 takes in your bedroom to get a 15-second TikTok ad. What if I told you that the most successful UGC creators right now aren't even using their own faces or physical cameras? In this video, I'm showing you how to launch a highly profitable UGC business. We are going to turn a simple text script into hyper-realistic talking head UGC ads with consistent AI creators in under 5 minutes for absolutely $0. Okay, real talk. Most people who want to start UGC get completely stuck before they even begin because they think they need a ring light, a perfect face, a camera setup, and honestly, a whole personality on camera. And that pressure alone stops so many people from ever posting a single thing. Here's the other problem. Even when people do film content, they spend hours editing, re-recording, and second-guessing themselves. And brands are still not responding. That's exactly where this tool comes in. OpenArt is an AI creative platform that lets you generate hyper-realistic AI video avatars, build consistent characters, and produce scroll-stopping UGC ads all from a simple text prompt. No camera, no studio, no experience needed. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set up your account, build your first AI creator character, and generate your first UGC ad that actually looks like a real person filmed it. And yes, the link to get started is in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Step 1, create your account. Now here comes my favorite part to show people, because this is the moment where everything clicks and you realize how simple this actually is. When I first opened the website, I literally expected it to be complicated. Like, I thought there would be 100 settings and confusing menus. But I opened it up and I was like, wait, that's it? It's so clean. I was totally obsessed from the first 5 seconds. Here's exactly what you do. First, go to their website. The link is in the description. When you land on the homepage, you're going to see a big sign up to create for free button. Click that. Then you can sign up with your Google account, which I super recommend because it's literally one click and you're in. No long forms, no credit card, nothing like that. But you can still use your Discord, Twitter, or email address. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a second to just look around. You'll see different tools like director, video, image, and more. Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to focus on exactly what you need for UGC. Now here's what most people don't know, and this is a pro tip right here. They have a free tier that gives you credits to start generating content immediately. You don't need to upgrade to do everything in this tutorial. So if you're just starting, you can literally test the whole workflow before spending a single dollar. Once your account is set up and you're on the dashboard, amazing. You're already ahead of 90% of people who said they wanted to start UGC this year. Coming up next, we're going to build something that is genuinely a game changer. Your very own AI creator character that looks real, stays consistent, and represents your UGC brand. Step 2, build your first character. Okay, now here comes my absolute favorite step. When I built my first AI character, the result looked so real that I literally had to zoom in to remind myself it wasn't a real person. The skin texture, the lighting, the facial expressions, it was insane. I was not expecting that level of quality. This is the step where your UGC brand identity is born. So let's do it together. Here's the step-by-step. On your dashboard, click on the character and select Create a Character. Now they give you 3 paths here. You can either upload a few reference photos to train a model that looks like a specific person, or you can generate a brand new AI character from scratch using a text prompt. And the last one is to build your character just by selecting given options. For UGC, I recommend starting with the prompt option so you have full creative control. Click Describe Your Character. In the prompt box, describe your character. For example, type something like a friendly 28-year-old woman with natural makeup, warm smile, casual lifestyle aesthetic, soft studio lighting. Be specific. The more detail you give, the better your result. Next, you can select your AI model. For this one, I'll go with Nano Banana Pro. Then we continue by adjusting the amount of image generation. Now hit generate and watch what happens. You're going to get multiple variations. Pick the one that feels most like a real UGC creator. Once you've chosen your character, click on the image. Then you can write your character's name. Next, for the voice, you can leave it blank or design a voice. To create a voice, click on it and then hit create new voice. After that, select design a voice and describe the voice you want. For example, I'll write this: a soft, mature American female voice that sounds like a trusted friend. Now, we can select the generated voice and click on Save Voice. Move to the next part, you can write background details of your character. After that, hit the Create button. Here's what most people completely skip. Brands want to see that you can deliver the same creator look across multiple videos. With this tool, you lock in one character and use them across every single ad. That's your competitive advantage right there. Next up, we're taking this character and turning them into a talking, moving, converting UGC video. And this part literally took my breath away. Step 3, generate high converting UGC content. Okay, now here comes the most game-changing part of this entire video. This is where everything comes together and you go from I have a character to I have an actual UGC ad I can pitch to brands. When I ran my first AI video, I genuinely could not believe what I was looking at. The character was speaking, moving naturally, looking directly into the camera. It felt like watching a real creator review a product, and I literally said out loud, this is it, this changes everything. Let's build your first UGC video right now. Here's exactly how to do it. You'll be asked to upload your own product. So for this video, I'll create the product image first. If you don't have a professional product image or a clear image, you can go to the homepage, click image, and then select create image. I'll type this: professional product shot of an amber glass serum bottle, gold dropper cap, minimalist white podium, soft studio lighting, highlighting glass texture and clear serum viscosity, clean pure white background, high-end cosmetic photography, photorealistic 8K, no background. Next, click on generate. From the homepage, click on direct on your sidebar. Then you'll see the massive options that the platform offers. Select UGC ads. After that, select the image we just created. Then type your product name here and describe the selling points of your product. And click on import character and select the one we just generated. Now, hit the direct my UGC ad button. This is where the magic happens. The AI will start brainstorming the concept and will ask you a few quick preferences. For the layout, select vertical. For the resolution, go with 1080p. And for the duration, 20 to 25 seconds is the perfect sweet spot. Let the AI do its thing. In just a few minutes, you'll see a fully rendered talking head UGC video pop up right on the left side of your screen, completely ready to download. Here's what most people don't know. Brands aren't just looking for pretty videos. They're looking for creators who understand structure: hook, problem, solution, call to action. If your AI-generated UGC follows that formula, it will outperform content made by people with expensive cameras. Every single time, you now have a complete UGC ad, a real one you can put in a portfolio, pitch to brands, and start building a business around.
Okay, can we talk about how tired my skin has been looking lately? So I've been using this every single morning and I'm obsessed. It's the Lumora Radiance Renewal Serum. It's so lightweight, no greasy after feel, and my skin already feels so much softer. Perfect for busy mornings, just as easy at night. Lumora Radiance Renewal Serum. Go grab it.
Let's talk numbers for a second because this is important. If you hired a professional UGC creator to make ads for a brand, you're looking at anywhere from $150 to $500 per video. If you tried to learn traditional video production camera gear, lighting, editing software, you're investing months and easily over $1,000 upfront. With this tool, less than the cost of a coffee run. Seriously, you can generate your first UGC ad for free, and even on a paid plan. The cost per video is a fraction of what any alternative would run you. I know some of you are sitting there with questions, so let me just knock these out right now. But will brands actually accept AI-generated UGC? Yes, brands care about results, not cameras. If the content converts, they want more of it. What if I'm not creative enough to write scripts? You don't need to keep it conversational, like you're texting a friend about a product you love. What if the AI doesn't look realistic enough? The output quality is genuinely impressive, and it keeps getting better with every update. What if I don't have any experience in content creation? That's literally the point of this video. You don't need any. You just need to follow the steps. Here's what you're walking away with when you start using this tool for UGC. Immediately, you have a portfolio piece ready to pitch to brands today, not next month. Today. Socially, you become the person in your circle who figured out AI content before everyone else caught on. Financially, you have a scalable service you can offer to brands without any overhead costs. Creatively, you have total freedom to build any character, any aesthetic, any niche without being limited by your own face or location. Alright, if you made it this far, you are so ready to do this. Here's your next move. The link to this tool is in the description below. Click it, create your free account, and follow the exact steps we just walked through together. Your first UGC ad could be done in the next 20 minutes. If this video helped you, hit subscribe because I'm dropping more tutorials on how to grow your UGC business using AI tools, and you do not want to miss what's coming next. And drop a comment below, tell me what niche you're going to create UGC for first. I read every single one, and I genuinely want to know. The UGC space is growing fast. The creators who figure out AI now are the ones who are going to be booked out 6 months from now.